Hi, welcome to RM Wraps. My name is Randy Mullen. What you're seeing right here is actually a dishwasher wrap. You can go to the rmwraps.com website, go appliance wraps, dishwasher wraps. You can put it right there. Actually, you can put it on the oven door too, but a lot of people use the dishwasher wraps right here. This is actually called the Vintage Safe Dishwasher Wrap. Every order is custom sized to fit, so don't worry about it. We need the height and width of the door and how thick it is when you place the order. We also give you like markers right there to indicate the corners of the doors. We give you free squeegees, free knives. We cut the backing for you so it's easier for you to install. We use 3M air release vinyl matte sheen products. And this is the quality of this print right here. You can see how good this looks. Other than that, if you want to see more stuff, go to the rmwraps.com website. Want to get a hold of us, 208-696-1180, info@rmwraps. Devin or Randy will answer those contact informations, and we'll take care of you.